I don't want to.
Hey, what is up, guys? I hope that you're having an absolutely fantastic day. And I know what you're thinking, another cleaning video, but listen, I'm rebranding these to be a clean and chat with me, where you watch me clean and I chat about whatever. And honestly, I could have stopped right here and had it done right here, because like making in the bed is pretty much the biggest thing that you can do. And it makes the room feel automatically so much cleaner. And I'm so sorry, I don't know why I keep on saying like. It's a habit that I've picked up recently. I don't know where I got it from or why I'm doing it, but I really need to cut it out. But honestly, I'm curious, am I the only one that struggles to keep my room clean? I'm a 20-year-old girl who struggles to make her bed every morning and keep her room clean. Is it just me? Am I just crazy? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so I decided to take a break. If you don't know me, it's McKenna, and I know you're probably thinking again, why are you posting another video about cleaning your room? And I'll be honest with you, I have a very, very hard time with keeping this room clean. I think the max that I've kept my room clean is like 3 weeks, and then it goes to crap after that. And then I let it get this bad, and then I clean it up again. I feel like a new woman. Now, I am diagnosed with OCD. I do have that, and I wish so bad that it was the clean freak type OCD. Unfortunately, it ain't. I don't know what type of OCD it is, but it definitely ain't the clean type. But I just want to take a break. Like, this is me unfiltered. I wish what I want to be is one of those girls who like have it all together. They get up, they do like their morning routine where, you know, they wash their face, they go on a run, they go work out, have a very healthy breakfast, and then like come back and do work. You know, one of those very, very like clean and productive girls. I'm not. I wish I was, but I'm not. I'm the type of girls who take 3 hours to start my morning. I've literally been in the same clothes all day, which, you know, I mean, I'm not, if you're like that, I'm not saying that there's anything bad with it, but for me, I want to change that. The thing is, it takes so much effort for me to do that. I don't know if it's the same for like all these clean girls that I see, you know, all these productive, like have their life together girls. I don't know if it's the same for them. Do they put in an excessive amount of work of constantly thinking, oh, do this, then do this, then do this? I honestly don't know. Anyways, because for me it is. It's like cleaning off my beanbag is every single little piece that I have to clean off. And that seems like a lot because that's like 100 different pieces that I have to clean off my beanbag. This over here, which it ain't that bad, but I do have stuff that I need to bring in here and put on it. And it's like just rearranging the cords. But like I was saying, I am one of those girls where it took me 3.5 hours to convince myself to start cleaning my room. So yeah, that's fun. But I want to be one of those girls where I don't have to convince myself to do it. I just do it. And I feel like I need to start practicing those. And I know it's 5 days before Christmas, 6 days before Christmas. It's the Friday before Christmas. And New Year, New Me is coming up. Which, I mean, New Year, same me, because I cannot just create a new me, but I can improve it. Like McKenna 2.0. Actually, I think this is like the 10th or 12th model, honestly. I've done so many like improvements. I mean, but I forgot what I was talking about. Anyways, I'm gonna finish the sandwich and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning. But yeah, back to what I was saying, I'm always constantly looking for a new way to improve myself. And probably the biggest thing that I struggle with is procrastination, just keeping up with basic routines, and obviously my weight. And in 2026, I plan to tackle every single one of those. I've already tried, of course, the procrastination. Oh my gosh, I've been procrastinating, fixing my procrastination. And if that ain't an endless loop, then I don't know what is, okay? And then the whole keeping a routine. I try. I can keep a routine for 3 weeks and then miss one day or one step of my routine and it's gone. I know people say it takes 21 days to form a routine. I don't form routines. I cannot keep I don't do anything without thinking. Okay? I have to think about every single little thing I do, okay? And so I just want to be able to adopt that discipline to be able to do what I'm supposed to do and get it done. Okay? No complaining, no stalling, no procrastination, nothing. Just get up, get it done. You feel me? You want to do this with me? Come on, you can join me. And if this is your first time to watch me, hey, and welcome to the channel. Everything that I post typically doesn't have a rhyme or reason and isn't the best quality, but hey, it's real, it's authentic, and it's me. And honestly, I'm just a girl who's trying to glow up, grow up, and become the person that I've always wanted to be. And you might be wondering, hey Destiny, how exactly are you going to do that? And my answer is, I don't know. But we're going to figure it out together, right? Because you're going to stick along and you're going to see whether I actually become the person that I'm supposed to be. You got to hold me accountable, okay? I'm putting this out there. Hold me accountable, please. Because I got to get somewhere. I can't stay stationary my entire life. You know what I'm saying? And all this is not to say that I'm unhappy with the person that I am now. Because honestly, I'm not. But if you had a chance to get better, then wouldn't you also take that chance? Who knows, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'll never reach the person that I'm wanting to be. But you know what? Every single day, I'm going to fight for it. So I also wanted to come on here and say that I am not going for perfection. I am simply going for better than what it was. And the sun has went down, which means my video quality will get worse than what it was. I have this yellow light, which honestly, it doesn't matter how I stand, it's just gonna be bad. I need to get like an attachment to my phone so that I have good lighting at all times. However, we don't have that. So what I'm gonna do is I am about to clean off my bed, my bean bag, and I'll call that a wrap for this room because I already have the floor cleaned off. I cleaned off my vanity, cleaned off my desk. I still need to finish cleaning this off a little bit. I've done swept the floor, and then we'll call it a wrap. At this point in time, if I hadn't have taken so many breaks, I would have had this done in like under an hour. However, I think it ended up being like I started at 2:30 and ended around 5 just because I kept on taking breaks and like distracting myself with so many different things. 2017. Comment below if you still have one. This is like one of 4 that I have somewhere around this room. There you go. New POV unlocked. Anyways, so I'm thinking about adding a couple more things to my YouTube channel. Gonna add some more of the little sections. I have shenanigans, I have Bible study, which I still intend on starting that back up. I just want to do it in a way that is actually that I can actually get fed from it. Just reading the Bible is great, but I wasn't really getting anything from it, and I would really like to get a lot from it. And then I'm also thinking about adding a not a faith and fitness, but just a fitness section to it, because I am definitely going to be working on my fitness goals this year. I've been putting them off, like I haven't went to the gym in forever, but I've been putting them off this entire year, and I need to get going because something's got to give. You hear me? Let's do this together. Yeah, so that's kind of, a little bit of a sneak peek. I say sneak peek, but I basically told you everything. But I'll be going in more depth in another video about what exactly I'm wanting to do in the new year in 2026. So it'll be my New Year's resolution video. And I'm going to make sure that these New Year's resolutions aren't going to go in the New Year's resolutions graveyards like all the past New Year's. We know how that is. It lasts for like a month and then it ends. And I'm just not feeling like giving up on myself this year. I want to keep on going despite however I feel, however I'm thinking. Let's just be consistent. That's my word for this next year. Consistent. I want to be consistent in every little thing that I do. Well, I'm coming to an end on cleaning my room. It is not perfectly clean, but that's not what I was looking for. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for consistency. You see, you're gonna hear me say that so many times this year. Consistency is what I'm needing. Consistency posting, consistency cleaning my room, consistency working out, consistency with everything. Here's the final look. Like I said, not perfect, but it is much cleaner than what it was. And listen, if the only thing that you get done today is making your bed, hey, you did good. I'm proud of you. Okay, so I know my room isn't completely clean. There's still a lot of things that I can do, and it is not decluttered. I know that it's not decluttered, but what I was trying to do today was get a starting point. And what I'm going to try to do is develop that discipline to clean my room like I'm supposed to. Or like clean it up a little bit every single day. That's what I'm going to try to do, develop the discipline. So I kickstarted it tonight. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to continue getting rid of stuff and decluttering some more. And then hopefully I can get into a routine. I don't do routines. I just do. Develop discipline to do what I need to do like I'm supposed to. So if you like the video, if you want to see how I'm going to improve and grow over the next couple months or year, then go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!